Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line. Hello.
And welcome to Bling
Line.
Bling Bling.
This is what episode is this? Our third one.
Yeah.
And it's going so well. Thanks, guys. You guys obviously like it. So thanks for the support. We really appreciate
This
it.
is going well.
It is.
How do you know?
Because I look at the numbers and the comments and everybody's like, oh, thanks, guys, you love us. But Ababantu, you guys don't get enough. Hi, guys, no one is 5 times a week. Sipangele apa. No lean number 5 times a week.
I mean,
What?
why how often?
Oh, why every day?
Aha, you completely walked into that one.
Okay, but why patali mali?
But yeah, anyways, welcome to it, guys. So for you, Banani, yeah, thanks for commenting. We are not going to talk about much because this is the one time that we just get to jump straight into it. Yoba utaleta wanjani kwazi kwathini anendaba sifuna ama comments thina kuphela.
And if it's your first time here, welcome. And if you don't know what's happening, this is called Bling Line, and it's for you, the blings out there. Bani thetha into enifuna uzithetha, and we'll read them out and we'll chat about them a little bit.
And so, each indo, we just want to know what's on your minds, what's on your hearts, and what's on your spirits.
Hi, boo. No. It's giving confession time.
I think I confess.
Afuna confessa. I saw, you see, one of the messages we have here, ukhona ufuna confessa. Which I don't think is a bad thing. Not everybody has someone to talk to.
I confess again, voice note or confess.
Okay, cool.
That's all I'm saying.
All right, let's get this party started. I'll kick it off with Sihle_M as his sisters Gatalita Sicela Aziveze. We need to know his outlook on life and current affairs, his EQ, and ba uina. Akazomva.
Wow, what a long list.
I know. So this is talking about the guy who came to Zupela during the marathon and was like putting himself up for an option. I actually have a developing story on that.
What do you mean you have a developing story on that? So God, masiyeke le nto episode doesn't need so. Because now was a developing story here on the episode.
Because we're talking about it.
Heavy. Also, what a long list. His outlook on life and current affairs. Yeah.
We need to know who he voted for. Those things are important.
No, for just a short little tell us about yourself as out neighbor. I'm a fun-loving guy. That show called Buzz.
Yes.
Go, you're going to, hi, I'm Zuko. I'm a fun-loving guy.
Yes.
I like to work and stay indoors and also adventurous.
Yes, and I love spending time with my family.
Yeah, those are the questions. Current affairs. Whoa.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to find it. I can't remember. But the thing is, why I want to show you now is because I want to know if this is the actual guy. Because anyone could say
I don't know.
Guy.
I don't remember.
I
There's so many things that I don't remember on that actual day.
Why?
You want to show me if this is the actual guy? So, ufuna ndithini ndim identify.
Yes.
And then?
Because someone DM'd me and was like, hey, I'm the guy.
Oh, come on, man. Ooks do that all the time.
This is why I need you to
Voice
say.
screenshot again next time. Because of
I'll find it, but let's carry on. Fine. But unyansile, guys, we need to vet people. You can't just be,
Yeah, but I can tell you whatever I want to tell you. What, are you going to make him write an EQ test?
No, man. Obviously, you're not. But like, funeka simlandu ke simbona ba uright na.
So then what becomes the qualifying question?
I don't know.
I'm asking you, what do you think? Uyapangela.
Uyapangela.
Yeah.
Upangela phi? Uena malini ngenyanga. What?
Uzochaza wena ubuena malini?
Any nix, that's fine. Uyabona nje into ezinjalo.
Okay. I don't know about all of that, man. That just, for me, it's just like, it defeats her getting to know somebody. Because you can't ask somebody what do you do when you're angry? Because if it's a bad answer, I'm gonna lie.
No, of course. Hayi ndibetha amacango ne.
Ufika kum nje ndisithi it's a modern design le ndingabi namacango kanti uyawakhaba. You understand? So okay, you know it, but yeah. Let's look at the next one. Uchopho lwebhilidi. Hey guys, gotta hey. Usernames zenu, I find them so interesting at most. Kodwa ifanele ukuba abazali benu bahleka bawe balale bavuke babaleke the way eningamageza ngakhona. You both so sweet as brother and sister.
No, I don't think we make our parents laugh. Do we?
Bro, not like as much as you guys laugh.
No, I don't think. I mean, we do make them laugh, of course.
Yeah,
but they're also parents. Abazo fans.
Yeah, they kind of have to laugh. But I'm not option, like.
Yeah.
Bulela nje ba ulapha endlini ungekho sesitratweni.
Exactly. But yeah, I mean that's cool. I found the guy. So I won't. You see, now it's private stuff. I can't just say what he said.
What do you mean? Say exactly what he said.
Okay, so he sent me a text. Whatever they do is
on thin ice.
LOL. Talita, ndim lo ebedibene nomzubela.
Does he have any pictures of him running?
Yeah, he does.
I didn't know foni
nomazi nyani. And lipolisa foni lapho.
Awa. Awa. Asachi nkandixole le. Ay, negative, Charlie.
Is it not him?
Negative. Shame. Were you hoping mangu ya sorry? Okay.
No, I wasn't hoping for anything. I just wanted to check.
But good on him. Uyajima, uyabaleka
nalona.
But ayinguye. Une picture yalo mntu esithi Damzubela woman.
Oh, come on, bro. Yes.
Okay. Ayinguye.
So it's a scammer.
No, I think more taking advantage of an opportunity. He could be the guy for you.
Yeah, that's the definition of scamming.
But not a bad opportunity. Maybe it could be the guy for you.
Yeah, no, I'm good, thanks.
Wow.
Let's move on.
So yeah, I don't think our parents think we're funny. I think my dad is super funny. Like,
yeah, dad is the funniest.
I will laugh and I will cry.
Yeah, no, for sure.
So,
and usually people who are really funny don't necessarily find abanye abantu too funny. They're just like, yeah, okay. Cool.
Anyway. Do you think it's a matter of that?
With your little baby jokes.
And it's not laughing because I'm funnier than you. It's not laughing because like yo lachisi.
Yes, it's nothing to do with me. But yeah, our parents love us. That's all we need. We don't need them to laugh with us.
No, straight. And also ask me Makeza. Makeza.
Okay, cool. Let me go with the next one. Unaye Lupondoane says, did you watch the video to see your future husband Okuplitile Kuzuko Matali? I did actually watch the video, but for like 5 seconds.
It was a 5-second video also.
Yeah. And I said I did, and then he says and then this happened.
And then what were your comments or your queries going on the video when you saw it?
Nothing. I hardly saw that, man. Which is why I had to ask him again.
Okay.
Guys,
So
just
what you
reveal
saw for
yourself.
him-
Uphi nawe, hayibo. Okanye ubuplitha nje ngenxa iba adrenaline be up. Hayibo, come on, what's happening here? Yo, sathi ubani?
Advise.
Masidu FTF.
Yeah. Uti, love the new segment and interaction. This was a Spotify comment. No?
Yeah.
Love the new segment and interaction. Sicela an agony bling segment, if you would consider it, with lots of disclaimers, of course.
What does that mean?
I think us younger blings would appreciate it. So we send in situations or stories on like those anonymous links. Bah! Hey! And we hear your guys' take on it. Like it could be career related or relationships, family, etc. I don't know, but I think it would be fun and you guys are so wise and stuff. So
That's so cute.
otherwise, keep up the amazing work.
Thank you. Asazi basatshung but FTF. But yeah, this is what we were speaking to earlier.
Agoni bling.
Agoni. Hi guys, and welcome to Agoni Bling.
Yo.
Where if you have any Agonis, you can tell us.
Would you advise umntwana? Aze ku athi hi Talita Mamela man, I've just got a situation at home and ndicela undi advise.
Yeah, I don't know.
Should I? Not like Shannon, should I? But like,
That's funny.
but so like timer, itenteni, ibhaqeli timer, erezi, izo pick up omnye umntana. Should I tell my mother?
What? Why would you think to ask me that?
No, because you're older and wiser. Just like she said. Or he or
No,
she.
okay, here's my advice. No, don't tell your mother. Just blackmail your father. Rather.
No.
Don't tell your mom, but go to your dad and be like, Dad, this, and that. And I obviously don't think it's right. So,
Wow.
maybe not, but let your dad know that you know.
Oscar Cleverphone, you don't know. And then those are Vandavatalis, I was told. It's just between me, your mother, and
Oh,
your
so mom
colleague.
knows.
No. No. Why am I laughing? No, she doesn't know.
Oh, so how's it between the two of you? She doesn't
No,
know.
because you don't know. There's other things that you don't know about your mother.
So ndingamxeleli okanye ndimxelele.
No, it's none of your business. Umxelele.
Yeah, hectic. I don't know, because the thing is, sometimes when I listen to people give other people advice on like entertainment platforms, I'm like,
What
What?
kind of an advice
what?
is that?
Yeah, exactly.
for
So
sure.
I don't think I subscribe to giving advice to people's lives where you're not equipped for it.
100%. But sometimes until you'll feel equipped. Boy, come on, phone. This is a no-brainer. This is a no-brainer.
I don't know. I guess it depends on the seriousness of the thing, because other people could be asking izinto that are probably not that intense, and then maybe I'd be comfortable with that. But it depends on what the thing is.
Yeah, because you're also giving advice based on where you're standing.
Exactly.
And you don't know the full story.
Yeah.
But you know what, actually, funny enough, this is a kerk like last week, we were having a chat in the afternoon. And then people kept asking into his like, according to the Bible, indo itini Bible get dating on an app.
Nothing, because I haven't got apps. What?
Mamela kaloku, wait where I'm going with this,
Okay,
right?
sorry.
So, and that's exactly the answer that was given, right? Wabesitu pastor. Kaloku guys, Bible will guide principally, not according to each and every situation.
No, for
Tina
sure.
into esiyifunayo tina.
Uxelelwe
Ukuba
uba yithini.
yithi ngoku, yithi
Yes,
ngoku. And I
100%.
suppose really, so to that point, it's kind of like what guides that then becomes, and people sometimes they fail to advise from there. From a principal nansika. Bafuna ukuthi I'm sure told me.
Advise according to the situation.
Yes, correct.
Because that's the thing. Like, if what are your principles? What are your morals? What are your values? I can guide you according to that, but not according to
because
what the actual
some
situation.
morals are tit for tat.
Exactly.
When usithe emntaneni abantu mama kajole nechomi yetime yakhe. Uyayibona yona, now it's weird for everyone.
And also, I don't know if umama wako in this instance has like been cheating on your dad for the past 20 years and he's had enough. Like, I don't know that.
Correct. You
And
don't
neither
even-
do you.
Yes, mama wakho is there for your money or like zininzi izinto ngoku uyamoshela ibag yakhe. Yeah, son, you see so many.
Mama ko ibedi. Yazi nam. Okay.
Mhlawumbi wamtrepa utatakho ngawe. Yeyiva yo. Itoxic le. Ayile akhoni. So asiyazi akhoni.
I don't know. I feel like, okay, fine. If siyayenza, then we can obviously choose which ones we feel qualified enough to answer. Ezinye esiqonda ba afonini. I need way more info on this one than Singapore.
Even no Dolly most why Nancy. Why psychologist? Why are psychologist?
According to her answers, not quite. Why feminist?
That would be interesting, actually.
Let's see.
Here's me coming up with another series.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, that would be interesting. Naturally would love to hear your stories. Because Kenyan gets ni dilemma, sidlulile kuzo, etc. So, not a bad suggestion at all.
Thanks for that.
Disclaimers musungu anonymous. Anonymous. Uti usiyaroka. Ayadika amaxhosa. Uphinde uzophule ke brother wako nguSoul Kessler. That's what I said when I gave you that gift.
Yeah.
FYI, growing up, I used to think Soul Kessler was the fictional character. Soul Kessler is a fictional character. That is so funny.
Because what name is that? What like Soul Kessler? What is that?
Also, it was Soul Kessler.
Yeah.
Do you realize that sometimes you know I and then the person who knows the word just doesn't realize
about it. Soul Kessler.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Absolutely.
Very Xhosa coded. Everybody kept saying it's very Xhosa coded. And I was like, oh, we were all being told the same thing. Wild.
We were all being told the same thing.
Yes.
Who called him message on Instagram today, actually? But boy, you are walking around with traumas because of those two statements. But that's just me trying to say that she should try and look after them.
As if I was not looking after my property that I'd bought.
That's why you broke it, because you weren't looking after it.
No, I broke it because it was a mistake. It's called an accident.
Okay, what happened?
I don't know what happened. Honestly.
Okay.
Never. I've never taken pre-workout.
Really?
No. I think it's weird.
Yeah, I guess you shouldn't if you don't need it.
Yeah, but this is the thing. You can start taking something and then start feeling like you need it when you're not taking it anymore, even though you had never needed it before.
Yeah, it's giving drugs.
It's giving drugs for real. In it with Tina. Hey, okay. That was going to take me a while. Congratulations, Tamzupela. Success rate is less than 1% for 75 hard. So you and I in the top 1%, Talita.
Why are you surprised? Like
I don't know.
You must believe in yourself. I'll believe you in. That's your problem. Standard. But I was the one who said, dog, 75 hard is hard.
I know. 1%.
Yes.
That feels good. I'm in the top 1%. Guys,
Exactly. Okay. It's just that with some people, they can't handle it, gets to their heads. Yeah, bro.
It's good. When I read that, I was like, huh. That's crazy.
No, absolutely. Yeah, bro. You must remember, as you know, that take like a certain amount of time. It drop off is hectic.
Yeah, it's hectically high.
I mean, we post every day with status, but day 4 sober 4 days. I suppose.
No, in life,
it's hard to maintain something over an extended period.
No, it really is. It really is.
It's easy and it's nice sometimes, first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but the longer you go, you must know. And 75 is what? 3, 6, almost, it's two and a half months.
Yeah.
It's a long time. What else have you done for 2.5 months consistently? So I was thinking about it from that instance. Sonia Roka ingweno in it with Tina.
In it with Tina. Top 1%. Thanks for that.
Tsakane Makubele. Uti, I started watching the podcast 3 weeks ago, which means I'm spoiled for choice between the older and more current episodes. The only downside is that I now think in Xhosa. I'm Tsonga.
That cannot be true. Come on.
Commenting today because I love what Talita said about speaking more kindly to herself about herself. And yes, psychology suits her.
Yeah, the psychology thing is kind of haunting me a little bit now.
Really? Ucabangani?
Ukwenza something. Esondele kulo nto.
Okay.
Yeah, like I wouldn't want to be like a psychologist or anything like that.
Yeah.
But zikhona ezinye izinto that are adjacent.
That's
That
what.
I don't know what they are at the moment, but zikhona.
Yasondele nangu akhona nayo yeza. So there's a lot of things that are leading you down that path.
That's so crazy. But you know what the thing is also like, I'm also thinking about, obviously nobody's perfect, right?
Yeah, uzawuqala nge-flaws ke ngoku, uthini?
But you know, abantu, like if you want to be a psychologist, you also have to get tested. But uzokwazi unceda abanye abantu.
Sure.
Sorry. Uzokwazi unceda abanye abantu. Because you could just be like not suitable for that job because of your own psyche,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So ndoyika ngokuba benditesta kuthiwa wena awukho right.
Yeah, then you've got an opportunity, but you're right. Then you know what to fix. Like, I like that kind of stuff.
And
'cause
as
then-
husband, you go right. So maybe that's...
Oh, then you're right. Kaloku. Why ungabikho right?
No, because it's not easy.
Okay. Okay.
But, okay. Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, Zuko. Can we just move on, please?
I'm moving on. Chidi Yo.
Okay, I hear you. But I definitely don't want to be a psychologist or psychiatrist. That's for sure.
It's fine. We don't want you to be. Even us. Phone. You understand? Okay. So, let's okay. Who's the next credentials next week?
From a flyby. Nice. All right. Tato Molefi says, you guys are insane. Your relationship is so dope, so refreshing. Your intelligence, wit, and personalities are unmatched. Love y'all. I love that comment. Tato.
Tato, shout out to you, man.
Thank you so much, man. I don't know. I don't get tired of it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but it's just like each time I hear it, I like believe it a little bit more
Ne?
than I did the last time, 0.5%.
Yeah,
So
no.
thank you.
Yeah, I think it's really, I think for me, it's like, I think our personalities match quite well. You mentioned it last time as well to say, my personalities, they do exactly, which I think is really, really great. But then on the point of intelligence, like, you looked at me like you knew I was going to ask that. I was like,
Because I know you. That's why. Kubano clever. Fucking come now. Clever so much.
For Nina Kwaz, Lono Le.
I suppose my clever so too.
The same.
I never
No
said
worries.
it's the same, but
Okay.
si clever so by two.
It's fine, but
There's no measurement of clever. When you clever kwezinye izinto.
is.
Nam di clever kwezinye izinto is it different from the ones you are. So how do we measure that? If we're not running the same race, how do we know who won?
Yeah, I guess, I mean, it's not like we can do something like an IQ test. Or
Oh
anything.
my gosh. Okay, cool. Do you want to be clever? Okay, go clever. Is that better?
I don't want to be given this thing.
Why?
I want to earn it.
Oh my god. You're so hectic.
See him?
Kubano clever. Why is
Sibling rival.
the clever kufa ke mna ke ndiyazasa.
This is the thing. I'm also just like, why are you? Because you're clever. Ukule clever, and you've always been clever.
I hate that word so much.
Okay, you're smart.
Yeah, maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah. So ndiyimke.
Must he prove for me?
You just told me the clever. Okay,
Magnetic naknam. Anyways, thank you so much for the shout out, Tato Girl.
you're so insane. Oh my gosh. It's gonna go yika. Let's carry on.
Right, Sinethemba Msongo. Or Msongo. Do you know like what the rule is with reading? Like
No.
how do you get to know about ngumsongo or ngumsongo?
No. Do you?
No.
I don't think there's a rule here because there's just different ways to pronounce different things, but there's
Ne?
no rule.
Okay.
No.
Snetemba M. Putizuko. Now I will go dye my hair white, spiriti, or blonde. For the first, cause I have a dark skin. So now I'm not worried. Who says, yo, these comments make me feel like I can't read. Maybe I can't read.
I don't think you can read. Gubano clever ke ngoku. Lukwazi ufunda. Or what's the story?
You know, stage fright, man. Putsuko, now I'll go dye my hair white or blonde.
Excuse me.
For the first time, because I think it's also because there's words missing. For the first time, because I have a dark skin, so now I'm not worried who says what at this point. Dango, and that means thank you in Mandarin. Talita, always love you, sis.
Oh, thanks. I get a shout out.
P.S. Love that, guys. No. I remain on that very same point. It's netemba yenza lento konwabisayo wena talk.
Yeah.
Like that for me is always going to be the point. Like every time I see a comment like this, I'm so glad I did what I did.
Yeah, for sure.
And I'm always just sitting and like, you guys don't know what's next.
No.
You're gonna blow your minds.
Oh my God. I'm still dealing with comments about your hair. I'm like, where's everyone been? Like, where have you guys been? This has been in the making for so long.
Yeah.
And people are still shocked. And I'm like, hi, bo, and I'm like, I need followers, amanyani.
No, but also there's followers that you don't see. I was born, you don't see everything.
No, for sure.
Yeah, so that's the thing. So yeah, definitely like for me, spirit all the time, Daya show me. Daya.
Because-
No, platinum, you can't silver. Okay.
Because abantu bazothini and kubombako. Nah, bro.
No.
Not happening.
No.
Please send us a picture. Daya also. I'd love to
Absolutely.
see that.
Kanye West was onto something. Gogo esenza zonke izinto zakhe. Look at him now. He's a rock star now just because yena isign yakhe yokwenza into ngumuntu omcela bahawupa man.
Awuzukwazi,
Yeah, you
okay.
can then put her on.
Say less, brother.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Tando Manglia says, that was really helpful for me, especially being someone who constantly sabotages himself because I have a fear of being seen as an overachiever. And yet I have to live with the regret that I could have been better, but I'm glad I bumped into this. That's so wild.
Right, Tando.
And you know what? In my thinking, in my pre-psychology degree thinking, I think someone made you feel that way when you were younger, but you're doing too much as overachieving. Someone made you feel bad about achieving, and then you obviously you take it with you, and that's so sad as just a thought. But I'm glad that we could have, said something that made you kind of start to think otherwise.
Absolutely. I think this for me was a comment that like really, really hit me hard because people will tell you like, wow, wenzaka cool, and then I was actually having a conversation about this yesterday with the Kanyes, and we were talking about like obviously like always this running thing, right? And I was like, that's one of the things, but it's such a you versus you thing that nyani, you end up sometimes senza indo that is benchmarked off of the norm, your environment, and it's easy for someone to tell you about wenzaka cool.
Yeah.
But when you are doing something as an individual and you measure against yourself, then it becomes, then you find you're spending less sleepless nights thinking about there's still this monkey on your back of by now your love voice that is always saying, you can do more.
Yeah.
And now we go ultimately 100% happy because it's your conscience is gnawing at you.
100%.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And people will have a way of really, but then ultimately I'll go happy.
No, for sure. But also, we also need to be aware that people who make you feel bad, especially about overachieving, it's because they are underachieving. That's like literally the only way I can think of that is that umntu uyazazi but they're not doing the best that they can. So
masingaduwi
sonke. Yeah. So esake spirit of because you're either showing me up for myself in my head, not necessarily even showing me up in front of people, but Guys, there's no such thing as overachieving. Also.
Impossible.
Yeah, bro. Like you're achieving and you're doing well.
It's impossible. Yes, it's impossible to overachieve.
Yeah, no.
So keep overachieving. It's not sometimes they want to wee on your battery or they want to put water on your flames. It's for them. But men's under pressure. And then again, getting back to the point, it's not about you.
No.
They're not doing that because no. They're doing that because of how they feel.
Yeah.
It's not about you.
No, 100%. Because ungenapi, how does this affect their lives about overachiever when? Ungenapi.
Absolutely. It's
not at all. It's my life. Bro.
Yes. Because, and I think people always interpret it as, there's a funny thing that I always laugh at. Like, I'm like, hey, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Oh, tomorrow I'm running a 50. I'm like, wow, you know what I mean? And this is the thing. And that's why it's like a little about overachiever. Because there's this thing, you know what I mean? And then because I'd never.
Yeah, for sure.
So there's also that as a reflex reaction. So malicious.
Yes.
But bakhona nabanye shem innocently enough for bona. It's just a thing. But I think very important what you said.
Yeah.
There ain't no such thing as overachieving. That does not exist.
No.
Yeah.
What does that even look like?
That's crazy.
This is a good thing. Like you're doing a good thing.
That's crazy.
So like overachiever with drugs because that's
you can't overachieve.
You
with
can't
drugs
also.
Yes.
This is what's happening. But yeah, man, I'm glad that we could tap into that for you and keep doing you, man. Yeah. Abantu guys aren't necessarily the people that we should be measuring our lives against at all. Measure your life up against your life, your own life.
Correct.
Not as abanye abantu.
You can only measure you versus who you were yesterday.
Exactly.
Damn. Balindi.
Not to spell
Balindi uthi siyazi ngawe tamzupela. Shout out the singing. Man, come man. The singing in between kills me.
What did we sing?
We were singing something. Happy birthday, Talita. It's my first time watching a full episode. I usually watch clips on TikTok. Yes.
Dionwabele kakhulu.
Episode
that she watched.
Or TikTok. I usually watch clips on TikTok. Dionwabele kakhulu.
But there's a comma, which means it's a kind of change.
Okay. So Negelo from the comments. No, it's fine.
So correct. Okay, I will. Sorry. Guys, please, man. Also, I saw today that we had like almost 500,000 views on what do you call this thing?
Facebook.
On a Facebook post, and I was like, that's wild because what does that say? Do people only watch those? Yes, the clips.
Yeah.
Something.
Something as out in.
So converter. Aba bantu by 500,000 bangene apha
post more no.
No, but the thing is, the more you post, then they don't feel like they need to go anywhere because they're like, oh,
whatever you feel like is a nice clip to post, half it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or they just like bam and it keeps scrolling.
No. Yabo, from now on, this is bonny clips. This is on leave us.
Spice.
Yeah, it's gonna leave you wanting more.
Cliffhangers. But
yeah.
So yeah, no, shout out to that comment. I think also happy birthday.
Thanks.
So yeah, we do what we can do. Thank you for joining us from the TikTok side of life. And
yes, welcome. We're glad you're here, actually.
Absolutely.
100%. All right, Swazi Foot says, not to dampen the mood, but back in 2019, I decided to start running between 2 humps on the road near my house. I love that so much. No gym, nothing, just 2 humps. Without realizing, I was gaining self-love and a gumption to walk away from a long dead marriage. Wow. 4 months in, I served my ex and set us free. So yeah, working out starts as a weight loss thing and ends up changing your entire life. Thanks as always, guys.
Crazy.
That's wild.
That's nice. I think that's really, really, really nice. Thank you for sharing that, Tazi. That's excellent. Noni Kamshin.
Chutzpah.
Oh, okay. How clever. But yeah, and I think for me, what I take out of that.
It's bindi.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What I take out of that as well is Ndangam, it's just about repeat something.
Yeah.
Nobody's between two humps. Nobody known, just repeat something. And I think the point has overwhelmed me because sometimes you're like, yeah, no, ndifuna 10Ks. Just do something consistently. Uzawupoqa 10Ks. Yeah, so yeah, no, big ups, massive big ups to you, Swazi, man. What an inspiration.
Thanks for sharing that with us. You did not dampen our mood at all.
Yeah, No, absolutely. Thabo Momoti, you can't buy physical pursuits. You just need to do the work. I wanted to do Comrades this year, but failed to run a qualifying time. You guys just inspired me to try again with kindness.
Oh, that's sweet, man. Kindness for yourself. Nyani, be nice to you, bro. Because yababona banpandla apa badila nendo zabo. So be nice to yourself.
Absolutely.
But yeah, you can't buy physical pursuits. I mean, people try, of course. Abantu bazokwenza ini pentak here and there, and whatever, physically. But there's so much to be earned from doing the hard work and how it affects your life in other ways.
Yeah.
That it's almost not worth doing the shortcuts.
Correct.
Yeah.
There's more to benefit. In doing the physical stuff physically. That's how I always think of it. Like, you get over and above what you've imagined.
100%.
See you on the start line of Comrades next year. I won't be running, but
I was like, already?
I won't be running, but I'm going to be there to be supporting some of the first time runners, some of which I hope I know personally.
Okay, cool. Let us know how your journey goes, Tabo. If you eventually get a qualifier next year, let us know because that would be amazing.
Yeah.
To hear.
That's my dream.
Why?
Is to make sure that they reach their target time.
But are you running with them?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh. So if Umdu's trying to qualify for something sub 5 hours, then Upesa Wake is someone who's making sure, let's push now. Must relax and must sit.
Why?
It's giving shepherdess. Love to see it.
Okay. Good luck, Tabo. Mizo 6806 says, I love both siblings, but Umadleks Wasekaya, I love you more. Yay, finally.
I'm so bored. Why is everyone going? You're not doing the comments next time.
Why?
Zonke comments is no, I love you, Talita. I love you more. Oh, bored. Oh.
And your energy is lovable and dope. Parties.
When you say you love someone more,
it's like I'm more clever than you. That's
the deal when you say you love someone more. No, I just want to know. I read this comment and I was like, what does that even mean? Before I start feeling bad, what does it mean to love somebody more?
It's got nothing to do with you, but Tandwa more. It just means that you what do you call this? You relate to someone more.
Oh, so they don't love you more.
Yes, they do. That's what relating is. Love.
Okay.
You don't like
okay,
losing,
thank you for the love. We love you also. So love are the same. Mizo, much appreciated. Thank you so much. That's really great. Ulisa Kanya Josi. Uti sitting here with my hairstyle that took 8 hours. Yo! Dog, and how long is it gonna last you? Like, that's what I'm most interested in. How long is it gonna last?
Not more than a month, like ibe right. Not more than a month.
Chonga, you love you more. Most definitely.
It's crazy. It's crazy how I look at Inwell and Goku now that I don't have the pressure to do them as often as I did before.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at myself and going, no. And as I said, myself.
Okay, sure.
Zuko.
This is a question.
Like, how did I do this for so many years? Go and sit at a thing, iminyonge, at a hair salon, iminyonge. Di happy. Also, this is the thing, pumu happy. You're like, ooh.
But yeah, which is fine.
And then the depression that hits when you have to go back.
Yeah, I think it's fine. But it's like, happy. That's my thing. I would be really concerned if uphinda uphuma ungekho happy.
Baninzi abantu abaphuma.
Abantu abaflotshwayo, but that's because
baninzi.
that's someone who didn't do something that they were supposed to do. Do you know what I mean? But what I'm more speaking to is like someone who delivers.
Yeah.
And then uphuma ungekho happy.
Yeah.
Meaning you weren't doing it for yourself. That's what that means for me.
What do you mean?
Like the person delivers 100% on what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
And go happy anyways.
Go back there.
But that for me then starts speaking to bungayenzeli wena londo le. Uyenzela mhlamba abanye abantu.
Or you were doing something hoping to fulfill something in you, and you were doing a hairstyle hoping to fulfill something in you and it didn't, and then you're like, oh no, but that's not what you needed to fix. You didn't need to fix your hair.
Oh yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I could take that as well. So
you needed to fix the inside of your brain.
Yeah, and you know what? At the end of the day, I think as long as we're happy also, I'm just like, sit there for that 8 hours. If Opuma Usiti, yeah,
right.
Yeah, understand? Do it. I'm like, do it. You're not hurting anybody. It's do it.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely for that. And I'm not diyavumelana nawe mna nyan Lisa. So rock on.
Don't you?
Fleka kaloku kusenda ne-pictures as-rest. Jabula ibona leyo style 8 hours. You know what I'm doing? Let's guess.
It's braids.
Okay. Singles.
Because no one says that
anymore.
The braids.
Yeah, but there's different sizes of braids.
The singles, happy size.
Ligning is the smallest one.
So there's different names now, and singles is not one of them. So there's like Fulani braids. And
what?
There's
Fulani,
okay. Yeah. I think this is his name with the, what do you call these things? The curls.
Hot water,
Chomi. No, there's extra hair outside of the braid, a curly. The actual braid is not curly. There's hair that's been attached to it. Yeah.
Through the braids.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then so you attach a car when it comes to that.
No, you have
You're
to braid
doing
and
the
attach.
whole thing.
No, you have to do the whole thing.
Like he braids like up and then
Yeah.
Oh, it's not you. Okay. Yeah.
Then you just put in as curls.
Okay.
In between.
Or either this is kuchang and don't your crochet, then you just pull a piece of the braid out. Why is this piece
no. Yes. No, I can't remember.
Those are called butterfly locks.
Yeah. Yeah, go to singles. You know too much for you to be sitting there with a singles. All right, let's keep it moving. Or do you want to stay?
I still want to talk about hair, but anyways, it's fine. Let's move on.
And that's song and I hate to be the one to say this, but why would you hate to be the one to say that?
It's pastel purple.
I feel like Zuko now
Come, they Googlisha right now. Yeah, keep reading.
Yeah. Congrats. It just doesn't have Lando. What's this? It's got the hole, but it doesn't have the low. What is this called? The cartilage vibes. Congrats on the marathon haircut. And thank you for getting Talita a gift. The feeling of getting a gift from your younger brother can never exceed any other. I also feel like we should be invited to the date, Talita and Mr. Two Oceans.
Would you be open to having a date here at the studio?
No.
So David film. Hey, Paulina. Yes, chickens do have ears. Iyaxoka ke laa ncwadi. Because laa ncwadi ithe andinandlebe but something.
Was the answer chickens?
Yes.
Was it?
That's what she's saying, my inkukhu inazo indlebe.
Oh.
Yeah, the answer was chickens. Yeah. No, look, I mean, anytime I'll get a gift anytime. But I love language. I get a gift.
Hi, Bo.
It's one of them.
Oh.
You see how happy you were?
Why wouldn't you be happy if someone gave you something
Great.
that you needed?
100%.
Everyone in the world would be happy for that, no?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, cool. But yes, I loved it. Thanks. I don't receive gifts often also. So that's like, it's like a once in a lifetime. Oh,
I thought that was something cool, actually.
what?
Uzenenye. Like, unzombo. Oh, wow. Yeah, guys. Umisabisiwe. Uti, family zone because of haircut? Are you kidding me? Abantu are weirdly bossy, but yeah, but that's people for you, man. Yeah. So this is based on that comment where someone just like, why the hairstyle? Wow, son and family zone, Lord and there's family zone. Oh, but yeah. So yeah, no, Wild West. So yeah, people are bossy, but also it's like, yeah. Oh, I feel like also tell about people. Life. But it involves people.
Yeah. All right. Well, is that it? Well, we did that one time.
Yeah, that's
Dave.
That's it. Sorry, guys. So we just we just got a message on the screen that we're reading from. Those are all the comments. But yeah, otherwise, a real big shout out to everyone who's commenting, who's commented. Yeah, I think we're really having some fun. I got some feedback. Asana. Izaba funny lendo ye comments is serious. And I was like, I guess that's who we are. No, he comment. No, but
this is the thing. That's exactly we're extremely funny and we can be serious as well.
No, that's fine.
Yeah. But izaba funny. Bani funny good comments.
Oh no. No, you're taking it too far.
I want to fight. Can I fight? I want to be myself, bro.
Okay, and do you want to be?
And I'm multi-duplicitous. You know what I'm saying?
Aha! Yeah, with your Gushima. This thing like
Gumption.
Well, I'm having a bad episode today.
No, you're just being human.
Yeah, no, I'm being myself. Anti-disciplinous. I want
to be myself, bro.
Okay, but then describe that in words.
Funny, but serious. A lot of things, and depending on the day, the time of the month, whatever, like I just want to be whatever is required from me, of me at the time.
Lovely, we really love that for you. I think now I love you more.
Thanks, guys, for joining us again. This was great. I mean, this is probably the easiest thing that we do.
Yeah.
Because I was on my way here, I was just like, I just have to read stuff and that's great. But I'm glad that you guys like it. So engos joiner, nipinenis joiner. And if you fundbona a comment yako, if you love on it, please just leave your comments and we'll see what we can do.
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, what you on? I mean,
you keep saying that. I will stop talking.
No, talk. There's nothing wrong with eating it all. I eat at them all.
Is this the right?
Yeah, but we only look at if we look at it from this way. But it's awkward, girl. Love each other.
Love each other, guys. Yes. Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Bling Live.